You suck, man! If I don't get that A, my mom will be so disappointed.
Hello there, ma'am.
Ah, yes. So, you must be Hopkins.
So here I am at probably the worst school in the country, whose alumni are nothing but arms dealers, serial killers, and corporate lawyers. Real scum. And that old creep thinks he can tame me? We shall see, my friend. I only give people what they have coming to them.
Where's your uniform, young Hopkins? Run along now, child.
Bye. Bye-bye.
Check this out, fool. Why are you picking on me?
Supposed to be cool.
You suck.
After a while, see you later. Okay, bye.
Guess what time it is? Yeah, time for a beatdown.
Get the new kid. Beat him down.
You wanna play?
Finally. Watch that. Shut that door.
Jackass! Why don't you get ready?
That's gotta sting.
I ain't gonna forget. I'll never forget. I'll get you back. You're dead, new kid. Dead. Hey, you! Break it up! That's enough of that. Break it up. Why are you not in your uniform, young man? Go change immediately.
Aw, come on.
Hey, you're the new kid.
Yeah? What's it to you?
Friendly, aren't you?
Give me a break, loser.
Hey, relax, friend. You're all pent up. Go easy or they put you on medication. They did to me. Boy, nearly sent me insane.
That's fascinating. Now if you'll
I
excuse me.
said relax.
Apparently...